Welcome, guys. Before we get started, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, it really helps us a lot. Baby Sleep Miracle, from stress to sleep in no time. Out of all the baby sleep programs I've reviewed, this one is definitely my favorite. The program is created by child psychologist Mary-Ann Schuler, mother of 2, and in it she offers easy-to-follow guidelines for successful sleep training of your baby. What I really love about this guide is that she covers a wide variety of topics. As a matter of fact, there isn't a topic she doesn't cover. She talks about the importance of sleep in a baby's development and the dangers of sleep for both children and adults alike, highlighting many problems that may arise during the process. Furthermore, she underlines the importance of consistency and routine. The guide contains 4 chapters and 16 subchapters that focus from start to finish on how to put your baby to sleep, the signs you need to look for when your baby is tired, as well as the issue of tantrums and separation anxiety. Moreover, it includes valuable advice on how to overcome these hurdles by using loveys and following a consistent sleeping, eating, and playing schedule. The best part of this program is the Good Sleep at Every Age chapter, in which the author describes in minute detail every developmental phase of a child from birth up to 5 years of age, providing custom indications on how to adjust the sleeping strategy to any child's personality. I also love the fact that she writes in a way that everyone can understand, without using technical terms or specific psychology jargon. The Baby Sleep Miracle goes way beyond a sleep training book, and Mary-Ann Schuler literally helps you turn your days and nights from stressful to restful. The price is a real bargain and the program is available immediately, so you don't have to wait anymore. Push the button for a good night's sleep. Click the link below this video to get it now. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more when I post new content.